In our company, it's that team effort that gives everyone an experience they want to share. We try to go the extra distance every time. And now our efforts have been repaid with this fantastic 5-star review. We feel great about a job well done, but we feel even better knowing someone took the time and care to write about their experience online and leave us a 5-star review. This is also one of our favorite reviews. Very inspiring. So if you're after great service that'll cater to your needs, let us prove to you why we deserve your 5-star rating. Our door is always open to answer any questions you might have, so please don't hesitate. Thank you for spending a bit of time with us. We hope to see you again soon.